So thank you for coming back, and we're still going to talk about the version 32. The Expo, you released the API, the background location. We are trying to do TaskManager define tasks in previous videos, and we put that into a component data mount. And that one was a mistake, because in the documentation, you can see clearly Expo have already exaggerated that you can never put into any lifecycle such as component data mount. So what I did was put TaskManager define task separately from a component. So we should follow their documentation, and we go ahead to import these two from Expo. It was location and the TaskManager. So we're going to call the location function in component data mount. So this one doesn't matter. And we make the location task name into first task. And we're going to put the task manager this time not in the component data mount. We separately put it outside the component itself. So we still make it first task. Okay, and we're going to console log the locations to see whether that's work or not. Okay, so now let's check if we put our app in the background. Let's check the location change. This one, 246, and you can see the location in background. It's already detect the location changed. Cool. So the first step we have done. And what if we want to use this location update our database? So now we cannot say a HTTP request, say access the post with whatever URL, and we cannot use this .props.user current user, right? Because this .props current user it's a prop in the location screen. It's not separately in the task manager. So here we should count current user equals to loading screen dot get current user. Okay, we can call a function in the loading screen class. Okay, and put that return value of the current user in there. So what we do is we can actually make a static function here, get current user equals to. So we return this props current user. So anybody may already found it. How can it work when the screen is already, the component is already unmounted? This props current user wouldn't working anymore. So what we do is in component date mount, we await async storage set item current user JSON parse JSON.stringify this props current user. So we store our current user to the storage of the phone, and then we're going to say const current user equal to await, and this is async function because it's a promise. Await async storage.get item. Okay, current user. Okay, so here we're going to return JSON.parse current user. Okay, so now we can go ahead console log out current user in this one in the task manager. Current user. Okay, in task. And so we can also console log out the locations if you change the location. Okay, so let's try whether it works or not. As far as you see, the app is already running in the background. So we do change the location to say 32. Current user is in promise, so because we need an async function. So we do async await. Okay, so this time should work. Say this device, we can change the location and change it to 36. Okay, so first we say the location changed to 3641 and current user in task manager. In task. Okay, current user. Oh, it's right here. So you see here, this one also console log out. For current user and locations, we can use this tool actually make a HTTP request to change this value. So in the database, okay. So now we're going to use HTTP request using the current user's phone and new location. We require the HTTP request function. It's right here, post, and we can go ahead each time we do a background location change. We're going to update this location right here. So let me show you. Debug location change. Let's change it to 35, negative 45, and press OK. So it's changed. Let's see whether it changed. So we reload. Okay, you can see. Let's try again. Debug location 2, 38, 133. Okay. And let's check. Okay, it's changed. So now, as a summary for the part 3, you can see this is the method we're going to use. Put the TaskManager outside the component, and it does work. Works fine.